Hey there! What are today's messages? Let's pick a card. Once you stop chasing the wrong things, the right ones catch you. Has this been true in your life? Which envelope has our quotes? Let's try this one. Try this. Don't chase, don't beg, don't stress, don't be desperate, just relax. When you relax, it will come to you. Make your wants want you. I love that one. Be silent if you can't talk without yelling. That's true. It's never crowded along the extra mile. And it's usually a lot more cooler things to see. What if ghosts can't see us either? And they're scared because who the heck's making pizza at 2 a.m.? That one's cute. Stop trying to make the wrong people love you in the right way. Easier said than done. Stop waiting for permission to bloom. Be your own water and be your own sun. Last one today. Remember, great things never come from comfort zones. Absolutely. All right. Thanks for stopping by.